Conducting meetings is an inescapable aspect of work. And when there are poor planning and lack of preparation, it could just waste everyone's precious time and money. To avoid these time-wasting gatherings, Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos cracked the code for making meetings more productive. In an interview, Bezos gave 3 simple rules that made Amazon meeting culture exceptional. But before getting into it, please subscribe to this channel and tap the bell icon for regular updates. Number 1, 2 pizza team rule. Bezos said, "We try to celebrate teams that are no larger than can be fed by 2 pizzas. We call that the 2 pizza team rule." The 2 pizza team rule is not literally mandating that a pizza must be served during a meeting. What Bezos meant is that he will not call a meeting if 2 pizzas cannot feed the entire group. Simply put, there should be a limit to the number of people attending a company meeting. When a meeting has too many people, it creates a very large team. And a large team means more opinions on the table, making it harder to reach conclusions and make decisions. However, with the 2 pizza team rule, you get the balance of obtaining diverse viewpoints and ideas while remaining agile and manageable. Studies show that this method can boost employee and organizational productivity. Number 2, no PowerPoint. No PowerPoints are used inside of Amazon. It's the digital era, but Bezos doesn't want to use PowerPoint presentation in an Amazon meeting. Instead, he recommends using a narratively structured memo that has real sentences and not just bullet points. This method assures undivided attention on the part of everyone at the meeting because brains process good storytelling much better than hard data. Also, it helps to better prepare the person who is leading the discussion because of the skill and effort of putting the ideas in a memo. Narrative memos give authors the chance to fully communicate their thoughts behind their ideas and give meeting participants the chance to better understand full concepts. Number 3, start with silence. The first 2 rules do not mean anything without this rule. Starting with silence gives all the participants the time to read the memo. As Bezos explained, just like high school kids, executives also bluff their way through a meeting as if they have read the memo. So, he suggests to carve out time for everyone at the meeting to read the memo. Also, participants are encouraged to write their notes and comments on the ideas discussed there. By starting with silence, you give your people the time to understand, reflect, think, and which allows them to come up with weighted decisions, thereby transforming the meeting into a source of productivity. Remember, 2 pizza team rule, no PowerPoint, and start with silence. So there you have it. This is all for today. Feel free to share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.